pocket chip are you ready to fly? Fly! Yeah, are you ready to walk to my friends? Yeah! Dada, we are going on vacation, right?
Yes, we are going on vacation.
Who will take care of our plants?
Our plants?
Who will water them?
Water them. That's a good question. Let's make something that will water them. Let's see this.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
That's cool. Now we have this and this.
This goes and the birds head just like that.
What it does? First tell me that.
Tweet, tweet.
So what we'll do is what we'll do is we can fill water in there. Right? We'll fill water in there and water comes out from here.
From his tail?
From his tail, yes. And we'll stick his tail in the soil.
Oh, but there's this hole for it?
Yeah, these are the hole for water.
Oh.
Right? We'll do this. And when there is no water inside, it will go like this.
Oh.
When we'll fill water, it will be like this.
Oh.
Should they fill water in this?
Some water. Water gets slowly?
Yes.
Why is there water?
There's water coming. See, there's water coming from here, from the tail.
I don't see where it is.
You don't see water? See?
I don't see it coming from the dots.
See here. See at the tail. Now, if I remove all the water, now see. Just look at its mouth.
Oh.
What else? What else should we do this time? Let's print a rocket, right?
Yeah, but I also want you to print a water gun.
Water gun? Okay, we'll print a water gun next time. Let's do a rocket this time.
Yes.
Yeah? So there are few parts of the rocket. This, and we have this,
That's tiny.
and then we have the rocket itself.
Oh, wait, there, and join it.
Ooh.
How's it supposed to work?
Put water in there? No. Well, water will go in from here and it will come out from here.
Rocket ship.
It will come out from here with a lot of pressure, and then our rocket will be here. It will push our rocket up. Okay. Let's go try it in our backyard. Yeah?
But we also need Mama's help.
Why?
Because I spill on you.
It will spill on me? Okay. We'll take Mama's help. Yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Do you want to put it here or any other plant? On this one? Okay, let's go. Push it down. More. Chalo,
How
now
about the leaves?
it will give water in the roots.
Oh,
Let's go.
okay.
You are all wet. Let's go see your birdie. It is.
Why not from his mouth?
From its tail. Did you have fun today? What should we do next? We'll think more. For now, we can say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.